All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash a shower curtain inside of a washing machine. Right here, I have my shower curtain and it is time for it to get washed. If you can see right here on the inside, down here, it shows that there is crud starting to build up. It's starting to turn a yellowish color. And so I need to wash this to get this off. I'm going to go over the entire process on how to do this, what detergents and everything that I use to get this done. Right here is the outer shower curtain, and this itself is getting dirty too. Just by handling it and just being up all the time, it's starting to accumulate dirt. I'm going to show you how to wash the outer shower curtain right here. This is all white right here, as well as the inner shower curtain liner. Now, this right here is a fabric shower curtain liner right here. I'm going to show you how to wash this, and it's a two-part process that I'm going to be doing to wash the liner right here. The first part, you can actually do wash. You could use a plastic shower liner. Okay, it will work in getting the plastic shower liner clean. But with the fabric, I use a two-step approach in order to get rid of the soap scum that is down on there, as well as get rid of a lot of the dirt and grime that built up on here. So one, you have soap scum, it builds up on plastic and the fabric. But with the plastic, the first part that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you, will get rid of all of that stuff from off the plastic. And you can you can do the second part if you want to, but the first part is definitely a must. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to take down the shower curtain and I'm going to get started on this inside of the wash machine. Let's go to that. Now, if you notice, I'm unhooking the shower curtain right here. You don't want to wash the hooks. You leave the hooks up here and just take the shower curtain off. This is what I'm going to do. I'm finished taking off and show you the first process and then the second process that I'm going to be doing. Let's go. All right, so I have my shower curtain and shower liner. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply put it inside of the washing machine right here. Okay, I put it inside of the washing machine and I have it in there. Now I'm going to add detergents, but I have a bunch of other white clothes that can also go on with this particular wash for both the first part and second part that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and put these clothing inside of the wash machine, okay? And I'll show you why in a minute. All right, so now that I have this in the wash machine, the first thing I'm going to do, this first part is just to get rid of the built up soap scum, perhaps built up fabric softeners, whatever has been built up on there, the soap and all this other stuff. The shower curtain should have soap scum built up on it, whether it's plastic or whether it is fabric like this. The towels also have soap scum built up on it. So this first part, what I'm going to do is I have some vinegar. I actually use this concentrated vinegar. It's 30% vinegar by Harris. And what I do is basically I just take this and I pour it where the detergent goes. You see right here? And I'm just gonna fill up the detergent with the concentrated vinegar. And sometimes I just go overboard with it. So I'm just gonna pour some directly in there. Recommend that you don't do that. Now, if your shower curtain does have metal on it, you might wanna be careful with it because sometimes vinegar can corrode certain types of metal. However, I'm not really worried about this one right here. So now that I have the vinegar inside of the washing machine, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and shut the door. And then I'm gonna shut the drawer right here with the vinegar in there. And then I'm gonna turn this on. And this first step, what I'm doing, all it is doing is dissolving the soap that is on there. So what I do is I go to a quick wash, see that? And then I go to warm or either hot, right there. And then I go to light because I just want to dissolve some of the stuff, some of the soaps come off of it. So having it on hot, just a high spin, light soil level, no need to go crazy on that because we're gonna do another cycle after this. This right here is just to get rid of all the soap scum that is on the curtain. I want it to be thoroughly done. That's why I do it in a two-step process as opposed to a one-step process, which I do sometimes, but I want my clothing and shower curtains to be effectively clean. So I'm gonna go right here, delicates or quick wash, quick wash, hot, high spin, soil level, light, and then I'm gonna start this. And then after this, I'm gonna do the part 2 wash to make sure I get it all clean. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so now that the wash is done, the shower curtain is clean. You can see, if you look closely, that it could use a little bit more wash because it's not totally clean. But what has happened, the soap scum has been removed, which is good. But we're going to do the second part of the wash. Now, if you have a plastic liner, you can go ahead and take this out and just go ahead and hang out the plastic liner. Okay, you don't have to do this next step. You really don't have to do the next step because a lot of the stuff has been washed off with the plastic liner. But because this is fabric, I'm going to have to wash this an extra step. I have clothing in there as well. Remember, I've put the white clothes in there, so those are going to stay in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add what I need to add to get the shower curtain and the shower liner washed completely. And so what I'm going to do is I have a three-pronged approach with this. I have detergent, whitener, and an enzyme. All right, the first thing I'm going to show you is the enzyme laundry booster. This is formulated to deep clean. Okay, so all natural, concentrated, fragrance-free right here. Enzyme natural booster. And what this basically does is it breaks down the fats, proteins, and carbohydrates inside of the material, fabric, and so they can be washed away. Okay, it does really good on white towels. I suggest this on your moldy old white towels. Adding this stuff, it works miracles. Okay, so this is the laundry booster. I put 2 scoops in there. Okay, next I'm going to add whitener because I have white clothes in there and the curtain is white itself. I want it to be nice white, so I'm going to use OxiClean Revive White. You see right here, I use OxiClean. I don't use bleach on this stuff right here, so I use OxiClean. Just go ahead and put some OxiClean in there. Boom, add that directly to the tub. Next, I'm going to add detergent. Because this is a front-loading washing machine, you add the actual detergent to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this. I'm going to go ahead, open up this drawer right here, find the selection where it has laundry detergent or liquid laundry detergent or powder if you need it. Go ahead and put this in. Now, if you had a washing detergent pod, you add that directly to the drum, unless otherwise told not to do so. So added the laundry detergent to that. Now I'm going to close it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make my selection, turn the power on. This is going to be a normal wash. Okay, I'm going to do extra rinse. Want it to be rinsed well. And I do warm water. And why not warm and not hot? Because for one, the enzymes work better under warm water and not hot water. The spin, I'm going to keep it high, and the soil level, I'm going to keep it normal. I'm going to keep it at 100, and I'm going to go ahead and start. And just like this, the shower curtain's going to get clean, the white clothes are going to get clean, and that is how you wash a shower curtain. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.